During the month of December, I sold just 544 units of paperback books and I only made $796.75. This was my KDP income report for the month of December 2021. So in this video, I will be going to discuss units sold per day, and then I will be looking at the ad cost, and finally we will be looking at the net profit. So welcome guys, this is Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to share with you my KDP income report for the month of December 2021. So as you can see, I am in the KDP sales dashboard and you can see the data for the current month, December 26 to Jan 25. So let me sort this by December 1st to December 31st and hit apply. And you can see December started well, but after December 16 things really get bad, and my income dropped a lot, and this was the biggest mistake I made. I think this happened due to that mistake. I changed the cover of my best-selling book and at a wrong time, and its sales just dropped drastically, and that resulted into a lot of loss of sales during the month of December. This could be one of the reason. Other reason, maybe I haven't run as much ads during the December due to death of my mother. I was busy, and that all happened, and I only made around $800 during the month of December. So let's have a look at the units sold per day. December started with 30 units, then 27 units, 25, 15, 16, 23 units on December 6th, 16 again, and 20 units on December 8th, 23, 26, 21, 25, and 31 units on December 14th. And this was the best day, 34 units of paperback books and 4 units of books sold through expanded distribution. Then it started to drop. 23, 17, 18, 16, 13 on December 20th, 19 again, 12, and 16 on December 23rd. This was the holiday started here. Then 1 unit again, 8, 0 and 8, 5 units, 8 units, 7, 9 and 4 units. 4 units sold on the last day of December 2021. So on the whole, we sold, as I showed earlier, 544 units of paperback books during the month of December, and generated sales of $796. And you can see the graph going down very rapidly. So let's see the ad cost. So in the Amazon.com or US marketplace, I spent $70.41. That generated sales of 251.34, and a cost was 28. That was around about break even. CPC was low, 0.13. So this was our US marketplace. In the UK, I spent around about £55, generated sales of 136 or 137 pounds. A cost was very high, 40.15%. CPC was good. And in the Canada, I didn't spend any much on ads. 6.90, 47.94 sales, and a cost was 14.39%. That was very good, but overall ad spend was very low because I was busy and I wasn't looking at ads or creating more ads for my books. So let's input the data into our Excel sheet here. This is our Excel sheet. Subscription cost including Creative Fabrica and Canva is $15. Ad cost from the US marketplace was 70.41. So 70.41 here. from UK was around about, if we convert this pounds into USD, it will be $74, around about $74. So 74 here. And if we convert this Canadian dollars into US dollars, it would be 5.46. So $5.46. So my ad spend was low as compared to the last month, 164 or around about $165. No, not $65, around about $150. This was the subscription cost. So I spent $150 on ads and generated sales of 796 point, let me see, 75.75 and our income was, I just entered the number at the wrong place, that was $796.75. So this was my net profit, you can say. After netting these expenses, I was at $631.88. That is a good as compared to November, but it wasn't great as we were expecting to be during the month of December. As if we compare this sales report, income report to the month of November. During the month of November, I spent $344 including subscription costs, and I ended up generating sales of $868, and the net profit was $524. That is less than December. In December, I was in profit, around about $100 more than November, but my ad spend was also less, my sales were also less, and during the month of November, I spent more on ads but generated more sales. But after netting the expenses, I was sitting at $524. And if we further compare this with the month of October, so we can see I spent $186 overall in KDP expenses. My income was $716.16 and my net profit was $529. That was almost equal to November. So December was a good month, but not as good as I was expecting it to be. I was expecting to generate at least $1,200 or $1,500 during the month of December, but I made a mistake. I changed my best-selling book, and the second thing was that the health of my mother, and then finally she died on 22nd December. That was the reasons I couldn't focus on my business, and that generated very low sales. But that is the part of life and the part of the business. There are ups and downs, and we should not be focusing on the downs only. The good thing is I was still $632 in profit during the month of December. That is a full-time income here in my country, Pakistan. So I am happy with the income report, and I am creating more books and focusing on ways to boost sales. So this was the income report for the month of December 2021 from my KDP low and no content books. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.